Welcome to this module on the Bussmann Power Distribution Fuse Block. Before we get started, let's look at what we will be covering in this module. By the end of this module, you should be able to understand the features and benefits of the power distribution fuse blocks, understand the advantages of using this innovative new product versus the existing solution, understand the applicable markets for this product, and find additional application and product information online. In the world where panel space is at a premium, Bussmann has taken the next step in developing circuit protection products that use less panel space, reduce installation time and labor, and simplify panel layout by designing a Class J fuse block with power distribution capability. Traditional solution. Here is the traditional solution with power feeding a 3-pole Class J fuse block and then utilizing power distribution blocks to feed power to multiple branch circuits. Power distribution fuse block. Here is the new solution that features a fuse block with built-in power distribution capabilities, eliminating the need for the additional power distribution block. Bussmann's power distribution fuse block consists of a fuse base for a Class J 70 amp to 400 amp fuse, with a power distribution lug incorporated on the load side terminal. This allows for one component to provide the same functionality as a fuse block and power distribution block combined in the typical panel layout. Bussmann's new, patented power distribution fuse block provides an array of benefits to the customer, including cost savings, enhanced safety, and enhanced short-circuit current rating. Let's start with cost savings. Current market solution. Power distribution fuse block. By combining two components into one, the new power distribution fuse block utilizes up to 50% less panel space. This allows panel builders to use panel space more efficiently, fit more components in the panel, or potentially downsize to a smaller, less expensive panel. This innovative solution also requires fewer SKUs to purchase and manage. The power distribution fuse block reduces installation time and labor by 33%, creating even more cost savings. The time, labor, and expense saved by not having to bolt in an additional component to the panel, not having to connect extra lengths of wire between components, and not having to stock an additional SKU will provide tangible cost savings for every application. This new solution lowers inventory costs and eliminates wire run from fuse holder to power distribution fuse block. The next advantage of the new power distribution fuse blocks is enhanced safety within the panel. With the modular design, each pole is separated by phase barriers, which decreases the risk of inadvertently shorting terminals together during maintenance procedures. The power distribution fuse block can also be coupled with an optional IP20 finger-safe cover. The cover provides a clear enclosure over all exposed terminals, eliminating the need for any other covering to be fabricated to shield the terminals from incidental contact. Covers are available with open circuit indication, helping maintenance personnel quickly and easily identify when a fuse has operated. Also, the covers incorporate a patented lockout-tagout feature, giving maintenance personnel a safer way to isolate the circuit while downstream maintenance is performed. Another key advantage of using Bussmann's new power distribution fuse block is the simplicity of achieving a high short-circuit current rating, SCCR, using these products. Traditional power distribution block high short-circuit current ratings are dependent on upstream circuit protection. These ratings are very specific as to the class of fuse and the amperage rating of the fuse, or the specific circuit breaker paired with the power distribution block to achieve a high short-circuit current rating. With the new power distribution fuse block, there is no need to review extensive tables, comb through UL files, or research circuit breaker and power distribution block pairings to determine the short-circuit current rating of the component. The power distribution fuse block has circuit protection incorporated in the component itself when a Class J fuse is installed, giving the component a 200 kA withstand rating, which makes it possible to achieve a short-circuit current rating up to 200 kA for the overall panel. Bussmann's power distribution fuse block is available for 600-volt Class J applications from 70 amps up to 400 amps. The product is modular in design, so it can be ordered as a single pole unit and snapped together to form multi-pole units at the point of use. Bussmann also offers 2- and 3-pole configurations snapped together at the factory for customer convenience. Each power distribution fuse block has a standard single-port box lug for the line-side wire connection, rated for either copper or aluminum conductors. The power distribution fuse block rated up to 100 amps has 4 load-side wire connection ports and can accommodate a conductor wire size up to 4 gauge for both copper and aluminum wire. The load-side power distribution terminal is also rated for dual wire connections, allowing for 2 of the same size wires to be connected into each port for up to 10 gauge wires for a total of 8 potential load-side connections. The load-side power distribution terminal for the 200 amp rated block has similar wire size ratings as the 100 amp block, but has 6 total wire connection ports. This configuration will accommodate up to 12 load-side connections. The 400 amp power distribution fuse block also has a 6-port load-side terminal. The terminal for this block can accommodate wire sizes up to 2 gauge and is dual wire rated for wire sizes up to 8 gauge. Bussmann's IP20 finger-safe covers have been enhanced. The enhanced covers will have all of the same features: IP20 finger-safe protection for enhanced safety, clear see-through design, test probe holes, and optional open circuit indication for lower maintenance time, and lockout, tag out for safe, easy circuit isolation during downstream maintenance procedures. The covers also have some improved features. The wireway opening has been enhanced so that the cover provides finger-safe protection for the full available wire range for both the standard lug Class J fuse blocks as well as the new power distribution fuse block. The lockout tag out feature has been enhanced to accommodate more locks, allowing a wider array of lockout safety devices to be used. Bussmann's power distribution fuse block is a great solution for any panel builder where space limitations, labor and installation costs, and high short-circuit current ratings are a concern. More specifically, this product is ideal for HVAC applications, UL508A panel shops, factory and automation equipment panels, machinery OEM applications, and critical power applications. This solution is ideal for any circuit requiring multiple branch circuit devices to be powered from an upstream 70 to 400 amp fused circuit. For additional information, visit www.cooperbussmann.com. It is the best source for up-to-date product brochures and specifications on all Bussmann products. Visit www.cooperbussmann.com/pdfb for information on the new powered distribution fuse block. Customer service, technical support, and a distributor locator for Bussmann electrical products can be found by following the Contact Us link at the top right of each page. You have come to the end of this module on Bussmann's new power distribution fuse block. Take a quick look at some of the key takeaways. Bussmann's new power distribution fuse block helps minimize footprint, reduce labor time, and simplify panel layout by combining a Class J fuse block and a power distribution block into one component. Its advantages include cost savings, enhanced safety, and high short-circuit current rating. It is available for 600-volt Class J applications from 70 amps up to 400 amps. It has a standard single-port box lug for the line-side wire connection and has either 4 or 6 load-side wire connection ports that can accommodate 2 wires per port. The key applications include HVAC, UL508A panel shops, factory and automation equipment panels, machinery OEM applications, and critical power applications.